What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing some repairs on the Jeep.
All right, so today I'm replacing the electronic throttle body right there. I think I got more than enough out than I actually need, of course, but you never know. So there's the electronic throttle body, still in the package. That's what we're going to be replacing today. So there's the part number. This is a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, remove the battery, but remove the negative terminal. All right, I got the negative disconnected. I'm gonna clean that up while I'm at it. I'm gonna remove the intake temperature sensor here. Just gonna pull this out. So you can see I got this little lock pushed out. See if I can pull it. Nope, two hands. So I got that disconnected now. I'm gonna get these clamps loosened. Oh, that one was already loose. That could be an issue. I got the air intake hose removed. I use a flashlight, see how dirty that actually is in there. I don't know if you can tell, but that's pretty dirty. See if I can get a little bit of a better angle. That is filthy. I could just clean it, but if I'm going through all this, take it off, put it back on. Might as well just change it out. All right, and that sensor really doesn't want to come off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it and see if that makes it easier. All right, so it looks like this is an 8mm. I'm gonna loosen them all up. This one right here is hard to get to because the radiator hose is in the way. I'm gonna try and use like a swivel setup, see if I can make that work. All right, that was tough. I finally got it disconnected. I had to remove it first so I could get to the bottom side, get that clip right here on the bottom side. But finally got that done. Okay, a little bit of throttle body cleaner. Get this inside wiped out. My ring's still good, my seal. So, all right, getting ready to install the new throttle body here. Just get it threaded in a little bit. Then I'll plug the sensor in. I'm just getting where they're snug, and then I'll switch to a star pattern. I believe this is 60 torque pounds that I'll torque it to. Backside is really hard to get to with the hose, so I'm gonna have to switch to a wrench. Just so I can strip it out. Hose in place here. There we go. Let me get everything tightened back up. That's good. All right, last thing. Gotta plug this temperature sensor back in. Just like this. Get my little clip going. There we have it. All right, apply some battery cleaner here. Let that soak for a second. I need to pick up a new brush. I haven't done that. So I'm just going to use my LOL towel here. All right, that looks pretty clean. Not perfect without the terminal cleaner. Get a little more on there. Oh. That was fun. Push it on there all the way. Tighten it down, and then we'll reset the throttle body. Make sure we're going the right direction. There we go. All right. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to reset it. Turn to the auxiliary function. Push down the gas pedal for 4 seconds. Hold it there for 3 seconds. Take about 4 seconds to lift up. That should be good. Let's give it just a moment. All right. And I think I'm done for the day. So there it is, all gunked up. Other side's not as bad, but yeah, no wonder I was having issues.
All right, so I took it out for a drive, and drives great. So thanks for watching. If you're still with me, make sure to like and subscribe and share, and leave a comment down below. Thanks again, guys. See you next time.